So before we start this video, I just wanted to thank you guys a lot for the support that I've been getting on these recent videos. The keto Lunchable video, you guys have blown it out of the park. I just wanted to say thank you though. The comments I've been getting, just the support in general, I appreciate you guys. And yeah, I just wanted to acknowledge that before the video though. And now let's get into making these yummy, yummy taco sticks. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using in this video. The first ingredient I'm going to be using in this video is Sargento Colby Jack cheese sticks. The second ingredient I'm going to be using in this video is Pillsbury pizza crust. The third ingredient I'm going to be using in this video is a pound of ground beef. And lastly, a half a stick of melted butter with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. So tonight, I'm going to be making some taco sticks. And the first step is to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. So now, I'm going to break up my pound of beef into the pan so I can begin browning. The meat is almost done browning. So now that my meat is browned, it's time for me to add my taco seasoning. So I've just mixed in my taco mix, and now it's time to just set it aside while we do the other things. So now we have to get the pizza dough ready. We're gonna cut it in the middle, and then we're gonna cut it into 10 slices. So now that the dough is flattened out and ready, it's time to add my meat. Now that I've finished putting the meat on the dough, it's time for me to add a cheese stick onto each of them. Now that they're done, it's time to start rolling them up into taco sticks. So now that the meat and the cheese is inside the pizza dough, it's time for me to add my butter mixture on top of them with a brush. So now that the taco sticks are ready, it's time to put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. All right, they're done. So now it's time to plate them, and you can of course top them with your choice of salsa or some sour cream. I have a fully done plate with the toppings on it, and it's time for me to try it. Reaction, Pa.
Terrific.
Yeah, well, let's see your reaction now. Oh, man.
2 thumbs up.
Oh, my God.
My God, that's good.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you can see from my grandparents' reviews that it's pretty good. I definitely recommend 10 out of 10. I think this is the best thing that I've made on this channel so far, and that is saying a lot because we made some very good things. Like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. Make sure they see this because everyone needs to know about this. This is perfect. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and stay tuned for something different next time. Bye-bye. And of course, it's always good to have a grandma who cleans up after you.